Welcome to DJ.
It don't happen though. Obedience they don't disgrace Arabambi throw and comot for inside court.
My correct people, we greet you now. We welcome una to DJMTV where ogbonge tori and update the shele. So if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una hurry now go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified sharply. And make una no forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update we will carry come for una.
Arabambi wey dey Apapa group for Labour Party go court go cause katakata. The Obedience wey dey court not take am easy with am o. They treat him fuck up well and no be so. As the mob matter take play for court, he enter court go cause drama no be small. And he come with armed policemen, push and start lawyer and thugs. He claim say he come support abi he come represent Peter Obi and Labour Party. The same Arabambi wey talk say Peter Obi no get any case or mandate to claim back from court. Anyway, my people, I go leave una now make una watch this video and see some vibrant obedient women how dem take talk about this whole matter and how dem take treat Arabambi fuck up for court. My people, make una watch this video. We dey come.
And the need for us to get rid of miscreants, unscrupulous elements within us and in this country. Arabambi came as a witness for APC. And he claims that he's representing Labour Party. That was what we stood against. That he has been expelled and he cannot stand for Labour Party. Correct. He brought a lawyer, a fake lawyer. God bless you.
Sergeant Bay lawyer.
I hope you watch lawyer. He brought a lawyer to represent Labour Party. So I stood up and I said, I'm the chairman of Labour Party in Lagos State. This man has no right to come and represent us because number one, as we speak, he's not part of Labour Party. And it's important right now for we to state this categorically. He came in with armed policemen and thugs. Yes. They came with about 5 vehicles
Full of dogs and guns.
More than 5.
Powerless with guns.
Now, what we're saying is that it's important for the security, the police, DSS, not to aid these people. They are not worth it. Because what they are doing, helping them and aiding them, would eventually cause anarchy. Because this man cannot be parading himself as Labour Party member. He's putting in legality on legality. And this will not be accepted. It will not be accepted. We have suffered enough. We have been attacked. We've been maimed. People have been killed. And yet, this man keeps parading himself. This is what we stood up against in the court. When he came, he attacked people and was stealing all sorts. And we told him he should keep his mouth shut because he's not Labour Party and he cannot represent Labour Party. It's simple. It's simple. So we are calling on, there's a court order restraining Arabambi and cohorts from parading themselves as the National Working Committee in Labour Party. Because number one, these things were tendered in court. And to God be the glory, Labour Party! Labour Party! The court dismissed that lawyer, that fake lawyer. Yes! From acting on behalf of on behalf of Labour Party. So that is one case dismissed.
Victory for us.
Win. So at least we want to.
Please call the name again.
B.A. Ayeni, the fake lawyer.
parading as Labour Party.
We want to applaud the judges for taking the right stand. And they need to be able to boost the confidence of the people.
Yes.
So that we can trust in their judgments.
Yes, so.
How can somebody come just exactly what happened in PO's case?
Hey, my people, now wow, wetin dey happen? Arabambi and this Apapa, their groups, they're not the tire. Anyway, upon the updates we carry come from now this time. This one drop in a comment and I say I'm reading them. And make sure not forget to like and share. Now do well. See you in our next video. DJ AP.